Hello. Welcome to another video from 10x Investor Education. This is a video about a new upcoming IPO known as HashiCorp. The symbol is HCP. So let's get into the basic details of the IPO and we'll dig into the company and what the products are and what are their customers are. So HashiCorp. So HashiCorp is basically a infrastructure software company. So our foundational technologies solve the core infrastructure challenges of a cloud adoption by enabling operating model that unlocks the full potential of modern public-private clouds. Okay. So in terms, as you guys know, a lot of companies, instead of deploying to their own hosting centers, their applications, a lot of them are deploying to cloud. So for infinite scalability. So basically, whether your application needs to be deployed into AWS, Amazon, then it can be deployed into Amazon cloud, but you are stuck with AWS. Okay, but suppose your application can be deployed in multiple clouds to take advantage of pricing model, then you use this kind of infrastructure building tools. So that is what they are talking about. So basically, our cloud operating model provides consistent workflows and standardized approach to automation critical processes involved in delivering applications to the cloud. Okay, so whether it is a provisioning of the apps, security and networking and application deployment. So basically they have four core main apps. One deals known as Terraform, which deals with infrastructure and the provisioning and the security and networking of the applications. Okay, so let's get into the details. What is the size of the company? Where are they based in? As you can see, they are based in San Francisco. It's basically a software company. Its employees around 1650 and founded in 2013. HashiCorp is the name of the company. And to be honest, disclaimer, our company also uses a lot of components of the software. So, and this is widely used by a lot of companies. So the market cap is around 14.3 billion based on the listing price, which is close to $80. So it was actually supposed to be $60 to $80, 72. Now they changed it to $80. Okay, then it takes the valuation to 14.3 billion. The revenues for last 12 months has been 286 million, and the losses for the last 12 months is 70 million. So basically they are increasing the revenues. It looks like they're also increasing the losses. So the shares offered are 15.3 million. The price range is $80. So I think this is one of the unique software companies. So this will be probably a very hot tech IPO tomorrow. I doubt if it's going to open 80. It might even open at 90 or $100. We have to see. So estimated dollar volume will be they'll be claiming around 1.2 billion through this IPO. So these are the fund managers: Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Bank of America and Citigroup, all the big players. So this is in summary what is HashiCorp. Okay, so let's look into what exactly the company does. Okay, and what is this IPO, their products are. So okay, so this is pretty much a new article like from yesterday about the business. It's a HashiCorp develops cloud infrastructure management software. Pretty much, if you want to say in one sentence, that is what it is. Okay, the company offers solutions that provide consistent cloud operating model that could build, secure, connect, and deploy infrastructure for the applications. Okay, as I said, infrastructure. So the Terraform and the new one is Packer actually. So basically, this is one of them is the image automator. Another one is for mainly cloud infrastructure. So again, for networking, they have a Console product, and security, which is very famous, known as HashiCorp Vault. This again, it can be used in multi-cloud security tool. And we have a lot of these tools there for their own. If you take Microsoft Azure, they have their own tools. If you take AWS, they have their own tools. But those tools purely applicable to their own cloud, which means your application is tied to their cloud. So this is something that independent of whether it's Microsoft, Google, or AWS, you can use this software to build independently and them deploy them and secure them. So again, applications for application development, the application framework development, deployment, all these tools are available. So these are tools. One important thing is these are actually for tryouts and all is free open source services geared towards individual developers and startups. Okay, so for people who don't want to spend money, they can certainly use open source editions of the software and they can do themselves with a limited functionality. The company also offers enterprise editions of these tools that come up with the additional features. So obviously for a big company, they'll be paying, so they won't be enough to use the open source for free. So basically HashiCorp is a leading provider of multi-cloud infrastructure automation. There are multiple companies which actually provide these tools, but not like the whole set of package like this. Okay, so this company helps developers manage their cloud infrastructure across major public clouds, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, or even could be IBM. So this is in summary what the actually the tools for the HashiCorp. As I said, this is kind of unique company that has all combined products that are needed for a company to deploy the software to multiple clouds. Okay, so if you could take a look at quick background, so as they said, we are building a generation defining infrastructure software company powered by a growing team of talented people. They had a conference recently, HashiCorp in San Francisco. That is where the pictures are from. And then, so if you look at, these are the two people who started in 2012 basically to solve the same problem, solving some of the hardest, most important problems in infrastructure management. So for any software applications to develop, infrastructure is critical. Once you have the proper infrastructure for building, deploying and securing and then running these applications, then your life becomes really, really easy. So with the goal of helping organizations to create a powerful and applications. So let's look into who are the customers and case studies. Our customers, they have huge, I think close to 900 companies already using HashiCorp. So GM Cruise is one of the major person uses their HashiCorp tools, and then Cruise, Petco, Criteo, Arup, Trimble, and again Mercari, H&R Block, Yahoo Japan, SeatGeek, Cap. Again, I mean, these so many companies and so many case studies, obviously, including Starbucks, Anaplan. A lot of people know Anaplan. And then HashiCorp internally, they use all their tools, obviously. That's what they're developing. So Vodafone. So as you can see here, their software is used by a lot of companies for day-to-day infrastructure needs and securing their applications, building their applications. So this is about the IPO. I heard it is available in Webull. Certainly, if you can afford, this is probably one of the hottest tech IPOs you would like to want to apply. Again, this is not an investment advice. This is purely for entertainment purpose. So certainly, I don't think this will open at $80. This is going to open more than $80, and let us wait and see. The one thing we need to know is if it is opening $80, if it opens at $100, then it's probably close to 40 times price to sales, which is very high. So that is the reason why you need to be careful in actually, buying this on the first day of the IPO. So best of luck if you're applying for. Let me know how it goes, what you think about this IPO. I really like this company and their products, and based on how it goes IPO, post IPO, I might get into the later, but not on the IPO day. Thank you. Have a nice day.